there, welcome back to the Jobim Clothing YouTube channel. My name is Chenda Kafour. I'm the owner and founder of Jobim Clothing, where we give you African flair for your everyday wear. Today we're beginning a series where I'm showing you how you can tie the same head wraps that some of your favorite celebrities have worn. Now, before we get deep into it, I want to preface it by saying that I don't believe that there's any wrong way to tie a head wrap. A head wrap showcases you, your personality, your characteristics, your personal style. So if it works for you, it works for me, okay? My second disclaimer is also going to be that it might not look exactly the same, but it's going to look very similar. The basics are going to be the same. It's just how you just finesse it all together in the end. So now that we got that out the way, this is the style that we're gonna tie today. So if you wanna see how I tie the style, stay tuned. First, you're going to start with your Jobim clothing head wrap of your choice. Now, that black in the center is their premium satin lining. So you're going to locate where the label is, and we want to make sure that we put that at the base or the nape of your neck. We're scrunching up the material because we want the satin to be the part that's up against the hair. And we're just making sure that it's centered to the best of our abilities. And we're going to tie just a quick right over left. And then we're going to tie again, not too tight, but we're going to tie again the opposite direction. So this time left over right. Now this particular style looks like it's a circular wrap type of situation. So I'm just taking one side, I'm rolling it up, like a cinnamon roll type of a thing. I'm taking one straight pin and I'm sticking it into the middle of that roll and into the knot section in the center. And I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. Now, the position isn't really important. You just want to put it where it feels good, it looks good, and it feels stable to you. So with another straight pin, we're going to go through the center of the roll and kind of find that knot area. Make sure that you don't stick your actual forehead. And that's it. Here's a quick 360 so that you can see the whole style. Now, if you have more braids at the top, like in the original picture, you can pull that top part up some more or put it back down in the style that I have today. And that's it. Easy peasy. I hope that you like it. If you did, please make sure and give us a thumbs up. And I cannot wait to see you next Thursday.